I want to talk about why did you have an A-B trust in the first place? Now down here at the bottom, we're talking about the current law. 2013, $5,250,000. Anything above $5,250,000 will be taxed at 40%. That's the current law. But I wanted to back up 12 years and go to 2001. At that point, if you will remember, it wasn't that you could have $5 million and pass away. It was $675,000. And the maximum tax rate was 55%. I don't know if you remember those days, but that's what, when people were coming into the office back in 2001, 12 years ago, that was the law that we were facing back then. So let's look at a couple. Why did I have an A-B trust? Couple comes in with it, and they choose not to get an A-B trust. Was the years 2001, the amount exempt from estate tax, $675,000. We have the value of their estate is $1,350,000. So let me make sure you understand. Let's assume this is Gail and I. I own $675,000. Gail owns $675,000. So our total estate is $1,350,000. And I pass away first. There is a law that says when I pass away, because I'm a U.S. citizen, Gail's a U.S. citizen, I can leave an unlimited sum of money to Gail, tax-free. Bill Gates can leave to Melinda Gates $56 billion. So I can leave my $56 to Gail. But here is the situation that occurs. I leave my $675,000 to Gail, no tax. But when Gail passes away, she can only leave $675,000 to our two children, estate tax-free. Out of the second $675,000, the government's not greedy, they just asked for $250,000. I said approximately. When I did the calculation, it turned out to be $250,000 short of $250,000. How many of us would like the government to get $250,000 when we pass away? That could have been avoided. And that's the reason why you have the A and the B trust. Because with an A-B trust, same situation, years 2001, the amount's exempt, $675,000. The value of the assets, $1,350,000. I pass away, leave my money not to Gail, but for Gail. That's the B trust. End result is, at Gail's passing, because the money that goes to my children come from me through the B trust, the money goes to the children from Gail through the A trust. End result is there is zero estate tax owed. So we've eliminated $250,000 by setting up an A and a B trust.